So pipes are essential part of the Linux enterprise. So here, let's dive into building your piping skills with a small set of Linux commands. So no matter which one you encounter later, you will ready to combine them. So we will learn here let's actually draw this. So I will draw this here. So you will learn about firstly the WC. You will learn heat. You will learn heat here. So you will also learn cut. You will learn about the grep. You will learn sort, and here sort 1 2 3 4 5, and unique. And also, yeah, it's 6 here. Yeah, also ls here. So let's get started. So these commands have numerous options and modes of operations that I largely skip for now, just now, to focus on pipes. So to learn more about any command, run the man command here. Oops, why it's like that? Yeah, run the man command. Oops, yeah, run the man command like this. And for example, if I wanted to get an information about the ls, then the man command will give me a detailed description, the name, synopsis, description, and all of the information that I need here. Actually, we did learn this in previous lectures, but I just wanted to mention it again. So here, let's get started with the WC command. It's actually, yeah, here, clear, WC command. So the WC commands prints the number of lines, words, and characters in a file. So let's actually use for now, let's use the user interface for creating files, but in next lectures you will also learn how to create, delete, and manipulate files from the command line. So here, let's create right click on it, create document, empty file, and let's name this file here auxily create, and here delete this, don't save. Here let's increase the font size a little bit and write something here. So auxily academy, Typhoon, online Linux course, YouTube, we are on YouTube here, auxily, and here this is our text for now, and we will use WC animals to print the number of lines, words, and characters in a file. So it's gonna be like auxily, and here, as you can see here, we have 5 lines here and 83 characters, and we also have 5 words in these file lines here. So let's open what we have as a word. As you can see here, these, all of them, it counts as a word here. So let's add something with a space here and run this command again. As you can see here, we got 96 characters, 6 lines, 6 words, and 5 lines here. So WC reports that our auxily has 5 lines, 6 words, 96 characters. So if you count the characters by I, including here spaces, types, and new lines, you will find 96 characters. So but WC also includes the invisible new line character that ends each line. So the option here, WC here, for example, WC L, W, and C, instructs WC to print only the number of lines, words, and characters respectively. Here, if I wanted to, for example, L, WC L, auxily, and here, as you can see here, we have 5 here. So so we printed the lines here. So if we write it like this, WC C as a parameter, or yeah, W as a parameter, we will print the words here. and WC C as a parameter, we will print the characters as a C for characters, W for words, and L for lines. So containing is such a useful general purpose task that the authors of WC designed the command to work with pipes. So it reads from the std in if you omit the file name, and it writes to the std out. So let's use the ls and list contents of the current directory and pipe them to WC to count lines. So the pipeline answers the question, how many lines are visible in my current directory here, and for example ls L here or ls1, and as you can see we have these files and folders in our directory. So if you write like that here, so ls1 and ls1, and we are using pipeline wc1 or L here, we will get 10. So let's count here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 11. Oops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 11 12. So we have 12 files here, 12 lines here, as you can see here. Let's delete all of them. So that's because we have the ls, we counted the L with ls1, we counted all of these folders here. It's clear here. So now let's actually write something. So let's vc wc is the first command you have seen in this lecture, so you're a bit limited in what you can do with pipes. So just for fun, the pipe the output of wc itself, so demonstrating that the same command can appear more than once in a pipeline. So this combines command reports that number of words in the output of vc is a 4. So let's make this like that here. So we're gonna use the wc or auxiliary here, auxiliary, and this, oops, why, yeah, why, no, there's no such, or yes, we go on here, ls here, ls, yeah, auxiliary here. So wc auxiliary, and here we have this here. So if we write it like that, wc and or auxiliary and wc w again, and as you can see here we got 4 here because we are printed here. So let's actually draw that. This is interesting here. So this was our output, right? So our output was 5. Oops, actually it's here, yeah, our output was 5 6 96 and auxiliary, yeah, auxiliary, oops, yeah, auxiliary. So here, let's count it. So this is our first word, 2 3 and 4. So as you can see here, with this command we get the 4 words, and we gave this command to wcw here. That's so as you know, we are with wcw we are getting words here. So we got 4 and not 6 here. So that's an interesting type with the Linux commands here. And let's actually do one more example. Why stop here, right? So let's add a third vc command to the pipeline of the count lines, words, and characters in the output form. So in order to do that, we will here, oops, why are you doing this? Yeah, clear. So our output was auxiliary here, wc, and as you can see we got 4 in previous code command. So wc auxiliary, and here wcw, and we are using again here, so we're gonna use the wc here. So here the output indicates 1 line containing the number 4, one word containing the number 4 itself, and 2 characters here, and as you can see here, 1 1 2. So here here 4, here the 4 ends with an invisible new line character here. So 4 ends with an invisible new line characters. That's why we got this output here. So that's enough with the silly pipelines with WC. As you gain more commands, the pipelines will become more practical. So see you in next lecture.